How to turn on or turn off the live caption in your Google Chrome. So there is a setting in your Google Chrome browser, so you can turn on or turn off the live captions. And there is another setting, you can customize your caption. Okay, auto captions, so live captions. So let's start with the video, guys. I'm going to show you in this video how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first open your browser and just click on three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting we need to find out the uh, accessibility, just click on it, and under it you can see the live caption, just turn on. After you turn on, it will be now enabled. Now you can use your live caption the for English language only English audio and English video. This can use only English audio and English video only. Okay, you can also caption preference, you can just customize the captions. You can select the color, so this is preview. You can say this is transparency, you can select. You can select the style, font style, font size. Okay, you can make 200. Okay, there are lots of setting or customization you can do. So I can make it default, I don't want. Okay, after you've done all setting, just come back. Now just on it, and now it will be work. There is other settings. Other setting you can see, show the quick highlights on the focus subject. You can use it, and there is a navigate page with the text culture. You can on it. Add accessibility features also. This is extension, I think. You can use extension if you want. So that is how you can use the live caption on Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.